Hi, I'm Jimmy Dillon. Today we're going to look at 5 ways to play the A chord. First position is right here. And you got your fingers all kind of bunched together. That's a tough one. Let the E string burn out. So you got the first finger in the 2nd fret of the D string, second finger, 2nd fret of the G string. Right below it on the B string, 2nd fret, is your 3rd finger. So that's your first position, A. Your lead note is your open A. And then one position I like a lot is just the same. You bar right here, the same 3 notes on the 2nd fret, and you come up here and you catch with your pinky. You catch an E and an A note on the 5th fret. That's a really valuable chord. And then you move right up to an A bar chord. Now here's a little added bonus that I use a lot. People generally, they know a bar chord like this, which is just like, right? But if you take your open A string and just play these 4 notes on your 7th fret, your 3rd finger, your 6th fret is your 2nd finger on the G string, 1st fret, 5th fret on the B string, and then barring that last 2 notes, the A on the 5th fret of the E string, it sounds like this. Spelling out the A chord. What's great about that, it's handy because you've got that open A ringing out. You can use the E if you want. A lot of times we do partials, and that's really a partial chord right there. The next one is up here. It's like this one. That's basically the 4th position, really. Now, the way I like to explain this is, there's a couple ways I like to explain it. I was talking to my friend Jason, and the way he visualizes it, he looks at a minor chord like this. This makes it a little less intimidating. So that'll be an F sharp minor. So you know if this is an A minor 7th, if you move all the way up and bar, you've got a F sharp minor 7th. But just put your pinky here and you've got an A. So it makes it somehow a little bit easier for some people to look at. And the final one I'm going to show you is an octave all the way up. Looks like this. And that's a bar chord again. Now you'll use this particular chord probably a little more on electric than on acoustic, but I just want to let you know there it is. So here they all are together. Okay? If you want to go even higher, but again, that's one that you'll rarely use on acoustic, and that's the same exact shape as here, all the way up an octave. So that's your A possibilities, okay? And this one you can do partial too. Let the A ring out. So there's a cool thing. That's the one I told you is like a minor, but just let it ring out. So here you go. Here's a great.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock and roll! Stay awesome and rock and roll!
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.